welcome back to another series of mathematics. In today's lesson, I am going to discuss with you exercise 10.3, exercise solutions of surface areas and volumes. This is the chapter 6 of class 9th. While we were dealing this chapter, since so many video lessons, some at about 7 video parts. So those who have not watched those video lessons of cylinder, cone and all those, please go to the channel playlist and click on that particular video which you want to observe. The immediate previous video of 10.3, the first problem I have done in my previous video session, that is about the concept of the cone and the first problem. Just click on the iCard, you will be notified. Let us continue today's lesson in 10.3. I'll read out from the textbook the second problem. The volume of a cone is 462 meter cube. Its base radius is 7 meters. Find its height. This is a direct question given the volume. Right. Volume of cone is directly given as, how much it is given? 462 meter cube. Yes. And also the base radius, we have discussed yesterday, like in a previous video lesson, that the base is a circle. So the base, if circle, that is a radius. So we have the base radius, that is nothing but r, given as 7 meters. Now we need to find the height, h, right? Yes. So find its height. If the diagram is not given, just draw a diagram. So this is the cone having two heights, that is the vertical height h and the slant height r, and slant height l, and the radius r. Right. Now, what is the volume of a cone? The formula for volume of cone, it is 1/3 the volume of the cylinder. So cylinder is pi r square h. So volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So this is given as 462. Now we'll substitute r and we'll find out h. 1/3, 22 by 7 into r is 7. So r square, 7 into 7 into h is equal to 462. So we need to find h here. So h is equal to, we will shift all these terms. So let us remove 7 here. So we will shift 22, 7 to this side and 3 to that side. 462 multiplied by 3 divided by 22 into 7. Right, I have shifted 22 and 7 to down and 3 to there. Okay. Here with 11 table, let us see, or else we'll see with 7. 7 ones, 7 6, 42, again 42, 7 6. Now here 11 twice, 22, 11 6 times. Again 2 ones, 2 thrice. So clearly h is equal to 9 meters. Right, the height of the cone is us. This is a direct application of the formula of volume of cone. Pause the video and note it down. Let's see the next one. Third one, I'll read out. The curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeters square and its slant height is 14 centimeters. Find the radius of the base and total surface of the cone. Okay, so we have to find the radius as well as the total surface area given the curved surface area. So with the known things, we have to find out the unknown things. Here, given the curved surface area of cone, it is given as 308 square centimeters. Yes. And given the slant height, that is L. So slant height L. We have two heights, that is h is a vertical height and slant height is the L, is given as 14 centimeters. We need to find the first part is, we have to find the radius of the cone. Yes? Yes, radius of the base. Base is a circle, isn't it? So let us draw the cone here. R, H and L. So we have to find the radius. Now from CSA, we will substitute L and we'll find out R. So CSA of the cone, curved surface area of cone is 308. We know the curved surface area formula is pi r L equals to 308. Now we will substitute 22 by 7 into r we need to find, and this line height is given as 14 equals to 308. 7 once, 7 twice, you can cancel it off. So r is equal to 308. This 22 into 4, we will write it here. 22 into 2 is 44. So this comes down. So 11 fours, 11, how many times? 11 twos are 22, 8 comes here, so 11 eights. 4 ones, 4 sevens. So r is equal to 7 centimeters. So the first part is radius. Radius we have found out, that is 11 centimeters. What we have to find? The total surface area. We'll find it here. So TSA of cone. So remembering the formulas is very important here. Pi r L plus r is the total surface area of the total surface area. How do we calculate? Curved surface area along with the base area. So this is 22 by 7 into the r which we found out 7. L is 14 plus 7. So 7 goes off. This is 22 multiplied by, this is 21. So we will do it here in the rough part. So this is 44. So 462. So this comes to 462. All are in centimeters, so this is centimeter square. This is the total surface area and this is the radius. Pause it and note it down. Now the fourth problem. The cost of painting the total surface area of a cone is 25 paisa per square centimeters. Is rupees 176 rupees. Find the volume of the cone if its slant height is 25 centimeters. So here given, this is very interesting and important question. See here, the cost of painting the total surface area of, see, let's draw here once. So this is the cone. So painting this cone totally, okay, total surface area, the cost is rupees 176 rupees. So for 1 square centimeters they are costing 25 paisa. So that we will write out first. Cost of painting TSA of cone, that means the whole of the cone, for 1 square centimeter cost is 25 paisa, but the total surface area given in rupees, so we will shift 25 paisa into rupees, that is nothing but 0.25 rupees. We can take this as rupees 0.25 because 100 paisa makes 1 rupee, right? So 25 paisa I have shifted into 0.25 rupees. Now let us suppose the TSA of the of this cone as x, because that is not given, x centimeter. Okay, so the cost of painting TSA of cone x square centimeters. So this x is the TSA, let us suppose it as, is given as rupees 176. Okay, here the unknown term is the total surface area of the cone. So we have to find this, right? So how do we find this? X is equal to, just cross multiply and divide with this. So that means 176 into 1 is nothing but same, divided by 0.25. So this comes to, if you shift this, if you remove the point, 176, 2 zeros comes up here, because if I remove the point, becomes divide by 100, that 100 comes to up 1. Okay, with 5 table we'll cancel 5 ones, can also cancel with the 25 table, 5 ones, 5 fives. Okay, 5 threes, 15 here, 2 comes here, 26. So 5 fives are 25, 1 comes, 5 twos 10, 0. Okay, 5 ones again, 5 sevens 35, 0, 5 fours 20. So x is our total surface area of the cone. Okay, total surface of area of the cone, x is 704 centimeter square, because all are in centimeters. We got the total surface area. What we need to find, the question is find the volume and find its slant height. Given slant height, okay, slant height L is given as how much? 25 centimeters, right? Okay, and we have to find the volume of the cone. 1/3 pi r square h, right? Here we don't have h, but we know TSA and L, isn't it? So substitute the L in TSA, we get r. Okay, here the TSA of cone is equal to pi r L plus r, that is nothing but we found out 1704. From this, if you substitute L, we get r. From r and L, we will find out h, and that we will substitute in the volume of the cone, because we know that here this is a right angle triangle. I have discussed in my concept video, right? This is h, this is L, this is r. So how do we find L square from Pythagoras theorem? R square plus h square. So from here 22/7 into r value, we don't know, yes, and here L value is 25 plus r is equal to 704. So this we will shift it to the other side. This becomes 25r plus r square. If you multiply this to the other side, 704 multiplied by 7/22. So 2 11s, okay, 2 3s 6, 2 5s 10, 2 2s 4. We'll see it with 11 table, 11 1s, 11 3s, 33, 11 2s. So 32 into 7 here. So that comes to 25r square minus this 32 into 7. We will write it here. 21, 22. So 224. So minus 224. So this forms a, we will take this as a quadratic equation where the unknown term, that is r. Okay. So here this is a quadratic equation. We'll write it here. So r square plus 25r minus 224 equals to 0. If you solve this quadratic equation by splitting half method or by doing with the formula, that is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, like that also you can do. So if you solve, you get 7. We don't know, we have to take only the positive signs because this is a value. Okay, so r we get it as 7 centimeters. Do that in the rough part. Now after getting r and L, we will find out h, because for volume we want h. Okay, how do we find h? So this L is given as 25. 25 square plus h square plus r is 7 square. So this is 625 minus 49 is equal to h square. So h we get it as 24. 576, so 24. So also with Pythagorean triplet also 25, 7 and 24. Right? Likewise also you can find out. So we got h as 24 centimeters. Right. Here after getting h, we will find the volume. Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, that is equal to 1/3 22/7 into r is 7 into h is 24. So 3 1s, 3 8s, 7 goes off here. 22 into that's all, 22, 7 into 8, 7 8 is 56 here. So 56 multiplied by 22, 12, 10, 11, yes. So 112 here, 2, 3, 2, 1, right. Right, so that means it is 1232 centimeter cube. Cubic centimeters is the volume of the cone. This is the rough part. So once again I repeat here, this is a quadratic equation. Solving the quadratic equation, you get the x value. Here the x value is r. Either ways you can solve. You can solve it with splitting half method or minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Likewise, so you get r value. From r value, substitute in the Pythagoras theorem, that is L square is equal to h square plus r square, you get h value. H value substituted in the volume, so you get the volume of the cone. Pause the video and note it down. You have understood this problem. This is quite interesting problem. So with this we will end the class here. We will see the rest of the problems in our next class. Thank you all.